Hey guys, it's Dylan from the Music Factory in Seattle. I got another lesson for you today. Go check us out at musicfactorynw.com. We got all styles for all ages, all levels, and right now we're all online. So anywhere you are, anywhere you want to be, come get some lessons from us. Thanks. Hey guys, today I want to give you a new piano technique. Super simple idea. You can use it to create new chord voicings, to add some motion to your chords, and just kind of sound like you know more than you know. So check it out. Okay, so super simple technique, like I said. What you do is you take any 4-note voicing, any 4-note chord voicing, so example C major 7, right? And then you just duplicate that in your right hand, right? And then you take 2 fingers from each hand and use the same 2 fingers, so you can use these guys. And that's another C major 7 voicing. Or take these 2 guys, and there's another C major 7 voicing. You could take the outside 2, or the inside 2, right? So right there you got 4 different C major 7 voicings all coming out of just this one thing. And you're just using the same 2 fingers on each hand, right? So you can take that a step further. If you can start to get this coordination down, you can create really nice movement. So give it a try.